Hmm.
So what do you think, life?
Inside, it's highly developed, but it's so cold.
Did it get lost?
That, or it was abandoned, or it was... Oh!
Hello there. No. Mama! No, please.
Congratulations? Oh my.
I'm not suited for this role.
I can't offer you any advice, but maybe this tiny moss pouch?
Stop smirking.
Should we give her a name?